we are ready for the same day as the other video to be starting because we went over a big bump and it literally stopped the video. So we're going to do another video, but we're still at the same spot. I had to go back home because so as you remember, this is our the stuff we were pulling. We were pulling the wagon with my dirt bike, and we are just excited to do this, but also we're crazy. We're daredevils. He's definitely a daredevil.
He's driving and I'm riding in this.
I'm driving, he's riding, and we ain't wearing no helmets. If you do this, don't wear a helmet. He's wearing gloves, but what's that gonna do?
So when it goes like that, it doesn't hurt as bad.
Yeah, that's true. So,
so when I hold it, it's not gonna hurt that bad.
Yeah. So yeah, we are going to be doing this again because this time we messed up. Okay, so you're gonna be held by my best friend right here, and we are going to be riding.
At least one of them. Need some help?
Okay, are you ready?
Yep. Don't turn too sharp where I almost fell last time. And do not run this over. So you need to keep the pace with the wagon. I'm like, go, go, go. I'm holding the rope, and this is a shop.
Bro, that's scary.
Just driving it?
No, like when I slow down, it will come forward, and like if it hits me at the right place, my dirt bike will just fall over. Like if I hit it, if he hit, he was about to hit me right here. But if he hit, he would go like that, and my dirt bike would just fall over if I turn or anything. So it's kind of hard for that. I don't want to be riding though because he's more of a daredevil than I am. I am not going to do that, but
He wouldn't ride in there because if I drove him, he wouldn't trust me because I'm a dumb ass.
Dumb butt. Okay.
I say dumb instead of the
Yeah, that's true. In the other video, you saw us ride the scooter behind the dirt bike. I know a lot of you would probably want me to have that scooter behind the dirt bike.
But we can't
because this hook is too small to fit around all that.
I would have made him do it.
He would have made me do it. He would have hooked it up, said go, or
I almost actually made him do it.
He almost made me do it, but I said no.
Because it was a dumb idea.
I
bet you when you get water, Jacob will give you this tank.
When I get tall enough, my cousin will give me this dirt bike.
He's gonna give you the tank?
But because he has this blue one right here.
Yeah, it's sick and it sounds.
It's like it goes ning 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 when you start it. So.
Why are bees here on this dirt bike?
And those are actually pedals to ride on the back of it. I've rode it on the back of it with Jacob doing it once. It's pretty fun.
Oh, I thought those are there because you could hit this on it. So you put your feet right here.
Yeah, no. It's for people to ride on the back.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
Did
So
your papa give Jacob that, or did
he gave all of these dirt bikes to us. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you guys want us to go again. This time he's gonna show you what it looks like from the front. He's gonna turn the camera like that, and you're gonna see from the front.
It's kind of, I swear it's not gonna be that scary, but when you're in it, it's not scary at all.
So, dude, you're gonna hold the camera like this. You're gonna sit right here, and you're gonna hold the phone like this. So you're not gonna be holding it like this and looking at them anymore. They're gonna be.
Hop in the grass. Oh.
All right, hop on. All right, hop in the cart. This is what it looks like right now. It looks pretty funny. All right, get in the cart. Oh.
I don't live now.
Okay, here.
Shit.
You have the phone. Dude, again.
I said cheat. Okay, so he's starting the dirt bike now. Start giving it gas, a bit of gas. Dude, he's gonna shoot after you when he goes down this bump. It's gonna come after you, so don't slow down. Not that fast. It's hard just doing this. Look at gosh. I'm not doing a very good job. Oh shit. You're about to run into that metal pipe. Dude, you gotta give it more gas. I'm gonna. I know. I'm telling you, you gotta give it more gas. Let's go. It's stuck. Put it in fourth gear and give it gas. Okay, here.
That's the most I've ever.
Here, dude, let me get out so I can come help. I'm gonna set you guys down right here. So this is what happened. The dirt bike totally got stuck. It was sick when you did that burnout. Here. Here. You give it gas and I'll pull it, okay? Help me pull it too. Just a little bit though, because I don't want to actually come. So I'm going to pull it and he's going to give it gas. Give it gas. There. There, let me get back in the car. We got it out! You need to fill it up?
Yeah, we gotta fill the hole up.
Okay. We're going to fill this hole up now so the parents don't get mad at us. That was sick. Comment down below if you guys thought that was super cool. Did you mean to do that actually?
Yeah, I meant to. I wanted to do that. I've never done one that deep.
That was so cool. Here, let me help you turn this way. Don't go over that bump. Because when I go over it, I'm going to hit your guys' camper. That's their camper? So, oh yeah. Put the kickstand up. Okay, I'm gonna hop on now. Not ready yet. Let's go! Here we go, and I'm gonna, oh, that was a sick wheelie. Okay. Also, this is 4 acres, so he's actually pretty far from the house. That's the house. Oh.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. But is this okay?
Okay, so tell me if that was fun to watch. We are idiots, but so we are. Comment down below if you think we should do this again in the next
I will.
video. We aren't gonna. Right now, we're gonna do some other stuff. I'm gonna get my bike because I don't know how to ride one-handed on a scooter very well. Well, I can. I just don't like to. So, yeah.
Oh
Crap! I dropped my phone. It's
Is it okay?
It's fine. I think the phone's fine.
Are they okay?
You guys okay? Okay, we're gonna go now. That's in my bike. We are going on a little trip down the road.
This. I'm gonna go down this.
I'm not going very fast. He is. Okay, let's go. We are